Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through who can send me friend request to server members on Discord. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Discord app in your device, then tap on settings icon. Next, tap on friend request. Then you can see the option of server members. Tap on it. So this is how you can change who can send me a friend request to server members on Discord. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.